So welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And yes, this is the day 2 in Kathmandu and I am exploring है. अनि हुन्छ कता कता हुन्छ आज थाहा छैन हैन. अनि न्यू रोड तिर यसो डुल्ने काम डुलम भनेको. And भयो भने न्यू रोडमा फेरि गोप्रोको माइक पनि किन्छु होला सायद because it's broken and in case anything happens then है पुरा अर्को माइकै छैन. So let's hope माइक पायो भने चाहिँ किन्छु, पाएन भने त्यस्तै हो.
This is Earth Radio, and now here's human music.
माइक्रोफोन यो गोप्रोको यो टाइपको छैन, डाइरेक्ट हो. यहाँबाट लगल पहिला भाँचियो क्या यो नै. यसले कामै गरेन कि पहिला ट्राई गर्दाखेरि. अर्को छैन त्यही हो. Alright guys, I finally got my microphone, so I ordered it from daras.com and let's unbox it. Yes. So it comes in a nice pouch here. This is the original GoPro mic, you know. So yeah, it is like this, and You don't need an adapter for this. You just plug it into your GoPro and it works fine. So this is my old microphone. Due to this, sound is not getting better. This one is used. This one is so small. Let's give it a try. So yes, I finally got my new microphone, and comment down below how is the sound. Hey, sound कस्तो छ comment गरिदिनु होला, and don't go for this kind of microphone. The adapter won't work in your GoPros, right? So you can go to this type of microphone which does not need an adapter. This will work perfectly, and that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.